A body's an instrument, not an ornament.
That's right.
A little message out to all you bodybuilders out there.
But keep going. You're having
Keep going. You look good.
You're having a crack. That's the main thing. Plenty of people out there aren't having a crack.
Yeah.
So oh!
There.
Oh, I'm going to put my feet on the wall.
Yeah, he's getting a bit of exercise at the same time. You're going to do abs today, are you?
Hamstring
abs. G'day guys, Ninja and Jace here.
G'day guys.
Our resident bodybuilder.
That's it. What are we working on today, Ninja? I've been working out. What are you doing?
On the chest and the biceps, I reckon.
Oh, we're going to open it. But look at him.
You looking good? Nah, I reckon the chest's a bit sunken when you do that.
So you reckon open it up a bit more.
Open it up.
Show them off a bit.
Yeah, we're talking about this sort of stuff to do, show the back out a bit more. And we're thinking, lots of people, not even just bodybuilders, people at desks and driving and stuff, got this forward posture and your pecs and your biceps are always short. So what we're thinking is, how do we lengthen these things out? So we're going to do some treatment on the pecs and also some dynamic treatment. So,
looking forward to that. Let's get into it, Ninja.
Lie down, mate.
Here we go. Fix me pecs up.
Yeah.
Oh, it's alright. I only smashed out 60 push-ups last night, so I should be fine.
I know what it's like. Oh,
Which way do you want to do?
Turn my back on you. You have to come around here, man.
Good camera quality there.
Yeah. So, I know when Jace does my chest, I just feel like he's crushing me.
Is this a bit of a payback session?
He doesn't know his own strength. So I'm just going to start with this anterior delt and the bicep tendon where it joins on up in here. This is like the simplest move you can do as a body worker, just holding this spot here, but it is very effective. And while you're holding this as well, what you're doing is you're encouraging the shoulder back into better posture as well. So it's good to warm it up and to kind of not, we're just doing something really simple, so it's not busy and the person can receive it really well. I'll just try and talk.
You're doing well. Keep going.
Yeah.
Keep going. Yeah.
And so this is a really good way to start. So we're just going to hold that and really try and melt down the origins of this bicep tendon here, plus a bit of that pec that's coming through and the anterior delt, the front delt. So yeah, we can get it all moving. So want to create better posture so that bodybuilder Jace here can show off his muscles.
You reckon my pecs will look even better?
Yeah.
Nice.
I actually had a bodybuilder in here yesterday and he was teaching me a little bit about
the poses?
And what they look for, the flow, the symmetry, balanced on both sides, but the flow through the body, because you don't want sort of have skinny legs,
triangle shape or something
skinny
like
legs
that,
and big body, and you kind of want to have the lats all kind of flaring out like that, nice and flowing and things, so not just sort of, and a small waist, how to kind of make it look like your legs look bigger, but also your chest and your back looks bigger when you've got a smaller waist. So
you've got to really cut around the abs and which is probably more diet related than training related.
Yeah.
The rest of it is training related, but then the waist and the abs are when the diet comes into it.
Yeah, you can out eat any training program, can't you?
Yeah,
doesn't matter. You can out eat it. You can't outrun a bad diet. It's one of the ones abs are made in the kitchen, all my lines.
Yeah, that's right.
So we're just going to go through here a little bit.
Yeah.
So I'm going to come in front of the camera again. I'm just going to turn around here. Let's go down through here.
It's
we're going down through the...
Good in there.
So we're pushing this down, but we're going to go through the biceps here and try and really lengthen that out. I'm encouraging it this way because it's kind of pressed up this way. It feels like we haven't done your chest yet, but you just feel like your heart's getting crushed in there, don't you?
Well, pec, I don't know if that'll be too bad, but the front of the shoulder here is always pretty nasty for me. So.
Yeah, a lot of people have these niggles in their shoulders as well, and the bicep tendon is the culprit a lot of times. And so you just need this sustained pressure and an encouragement away from where it's kind of calcified up or stuck up there. It gets those micro tears and they become calcified, don't they? The scar tissue just builds up.
Adhesive in that tissue and stuck together.
Yeah. So we can kind of really melt that down with this good, slow, deep work. So just that rubbing, that superficial stuff just doesn't cut it. We're all about results. We want the
the real results.
Yeah, we want performance, don't we? We want pain elimination and we want performance. So, yeah. The body's an instrument, not an ornament.
That's right.
A little message out to all you bodybuilders out there.
But keep going.
Keep going. You look good.
You're having a crack. That's the main thing. Plenty of people out there aren't having a crack.
Yeah. The 70% of the US and Australian probably population are overweight. So it's health's not getting better if we're kind of looking at that kind of thing.
That's right. You think there's so many things improving in the world since even I was born in the 90s. A fair bit's changed, but health is still not
it's
high on the priority
not improving,
list.
is it?
Nah.
Going backwards.
Going backwards.
Yeah, but just the most basic things is your habit with your diet and exercise, your movement. So so diet is really important, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Just having balanced in the diet. Like people ask, do you have any specific strict diets or anything like that? But I don't personally have a strict diet, but I'm aware of what I'm eating. Like I don't count my calories or anything like that, but I'm aware of how much I'm eating, but I don't tend to snack. I just have 3 bigger meals and that sort of works for me, but obviously you need to find what works for you. But it's just trying to not cut out completely, because that's always pretty hard if you just go from what your normal diet is to cutting out everything. It doesn't tend to last. So just trying to minimize the amount of bad quality food that you have, or increase whatever sort of exercise or training you can add in. And again, starting slow. Like a lot of people enter an 8-week challenge or something and they'll be really good for 2 or 3 weeks. They'll train every day and then they just die off because it's so different to what they're used to. So just start off with, if you haven't been training, just start off with going back once or twice, or just go once and try and add in a few extra walks or something simple like that. Like just try and move your body a bit more and make that a routine, and then you can go, okay, that feels comfortable. Now where can I find another day? And then by a few weeks time, you've created a good routine, a healthy routine that you can actually stick to, rather than one that you just smash for 3 weeks and then revert back to your old routine because it was too hard. So go for long-term fulfillment over instant gratification is pretty much what I'm getting to. It was a long-winded way of saying that. So
This man here exemplifies health and fitness and pain-free living, and happy. You're a happy man, young Jace.
Midge. Try to be.
Yeah, I think that's the thing. Like vibrationally, you know that Jason is telling the truth, his truth, and you can kind of just see, just looking at his body, that he's.
We won't tell him what I added off camera. Start this video.
That's all balance. That's part of the balance.
Part of the balance. There was protein involved in that.
Part of the balance, and like with Jace, we can set our clock by Jace, by what he's eating and what he's doing. We kind of
actually got really good at guessing. It was back in the old lockdown days that we don't like to talk about. But anyway, it was, I must have just gone to start get some food, and he goes, it must be 12 o'clock. And didn't look at the clock. And when we looked, it was 12:01. I said, how'd you know that? He's like, because you needed to eat.
Your body clock.
That regimented into...
ingrained, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ingrained habits. So I'm just sort of went through the pec, and I'm going to go through kind of the lower pec. I'm not worrying about pec minor. We're just doing pec major just here.
Target the bigger muscle in there.
The big one, yeah. And open that up, stretch it out, and work it. And you can kind of see that we're trying to open it up by getting Jace to put his arm out wide. And this is where you crush me.
This is more just ripping of
your skin.
Yeah, ripping of the pec.
Yeah, we've got to get that fascia affected, so we can't. If we're slipping and sliding, we're not going to make it stretch and melt. But the skin's going to get a bit of a stretch and melt as well.
Tug on the skin.
Yeah, it's good. It just means we're probably going a little bit quick, because it will move, without any wax or anything like that. I don't think I put any wax on, did I? I had it there ready.
I haven't felt any, no. Just there for advertisement sake.
For looks.
Yeah.
Which is a really, important point to make, that with our treatment, we we don't want to be slipping and sliding because we want to get in deep and affect those deep fascial layers and those deep knots, adhesions, those over-scarring type things that are holding the body back from performing and causes the pain. So we want to affect that. We don't want to just glide over it or go so fast that we miss the really important bits. And like the body just guides you. It tells you when there's a roadblock and you can't go fast through a roadblock. You gotta slow down.
That's
a
right.
Speed hump type of thing. Don't want to go 100 k's over a speed hump.
Car won't like that too much.
Yeah.
You would have done that, would you, Nid?
Oh.
That's what your cars would be doing.
You have to do it to learn, I think. You tell the kids not to go over the speed humps fast, but you kind of got to learn for yourself, haven't you?
That's it.
Yeah. Have you ever seen those videos where they kind of have like a pole or whatever and have a car run into it at 10 k's an hour, 20 k's an hour? And then it goes at like 100 k's an hour and then 150, 200 and it just gets so mangled and that.
Yeah.
It's unreal. Anyway, so we're done.
You got excited about that.
It's good.
What are we doing next?
Let's get you on the barrel.
On the barrel. How do I do this?
I'm going to get him over a barrel. We'll get over in this space over here if we can, Leo. Is there enough room
Do you
here?
want me lying back this way?
Yeah, if you can kind of go on it. So you've got that arm on there.
I'm trying to think. I'll go
Which way's
this
the
way
best
so you
for-
can see the
For
camera.
light.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we want some Jennifer.
Oh, I don't want to fall off.
Yeah.
Try and make me balance. There you
So
go.
what
If I
we're
can
going
lean
to
over
do,
there.
get his shoulder. See, I can kind of let his arm go down. So what I'm going to do is I got him and then I'm stretching that
I'll roll
down.
this way a little bit more. There
Yeah.
we go. Now I've got a bit more room to... Oh!
There.
Oh, I'm going to put my feet on the wall.
Yeah, he's getting a bit of exercise at the same time. You're going to do
A
abs
bit of
today, are you?
hamstring
Hamstring,
activation.
abs.
Oh.
So I can kind of change angles. If you have lacking range, going lifting above your head, you can kind of explore these
This
things.
would be great for me as well.
Yeah,
then.
mate. Yeah. We did another video, didn't we?
That's
Trying to get
right.
your
If you
shoulder
missed
range.
the last Bodybuilder series.
Yeah. So this is another move we can apply.
How often? This is a serious. How often do you get people on the barrel, Ninja? Like,
Over a
people are
barrel?
probably thinking like, how often do you actually do this treatment?
Not very often.
But it is something you have done before. It's not just for the video's sake.
It is fun. It is fun to do the barrel work. Yeah, we've got it out over time. Had Aaron over a barrel, didn't we? Had a
few
good
series
one.
of barrel series.
Yeah, the postural transformation video, I think I called it. Over the barrel, we had a bit of a skit at the start, me and young Aaron. Pretty funny.
I'm sure that'll be quality work.
Yeah, oh yeah, we might have to try and get a card up there. You can watch it. Some of our best work. So we were trying to stretch that out. And what I might do is try and do the similar for your biceps.
Oh.
See if we can get that to happen. So I might need to get Leo come around this way.
Yeah, I'll shuffle down that way.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm just moving around.
Yeah, we can kind of get. I've got him here. He's ribs against my leg, so he's not going to roll off. So he can feel safe and secure.
That's it.
It's important.
Oh.
And we can go that whole line through the chest, down that bicep, and go beyond the normal kind of range. Really work that tissue like that. Feeling all right?
Oh, it's feeling good.
I
Yeah.
reckon you're going to be lopsided, man.
No, I think so, but that's all right. We'll fix it off camera.
Yeah,
We're leaving me out.
yeah.
Are you ready for get your abadabbas out today?
Oh, mate, you always put me on the spot. Then every video, he's fucking. We'll do abs. I'm hairy and fat. You going fuck? We'll do abs today.
I'm not hinging anything, I swear. Not hinging, it's just whatever comes to my head.
All right, we'll give it a crack.
Oh.
Remember, it doesn't matter what you look like; it's how you feel.
That's right, how you feel and how you function.
Yeah, that's it. Body's an instrument, not an ornament. Pull out the lines. Let's do one more of that, and then we'll have a look, see if you kind of how you feel on that side compared to the other one.
I That's going to feel pretty open.
Yeah.
No, it's even open.
Feels good now. What was that video?
Breathing good now.
We did a breathing video with Jace about
That's it.
7 years ago.
Yeah, back in the days of not knowing how to act. Not that my acting got any better, but
We love a good act, a good skit, don't we?
yeah.
What's our
We
next
think
one?
we're funny, Ninja, but
My only idea I've got at the moment is the Pied Piper with Farnsey.
Pied Piper.
Yeah. So yeah, that'll be good. I keep on smiling and I think about our skit we did with we got the good stuff that you want. Let me be a pusher. That was a great video.
Are you happy with that one, Ninja?
Yeah, happy with the work there.
Oh.
Is that on YouTube Shorts? Yeah. And also, just our Instagram channel. If you're not watching that, not subscribe.
Oh.
There you go.
Try and get up off the barrel.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't want you to fall.
Oh. Jeez, I feel good.
Yeah. You can see the nice redness through his whole chest and that line.
Let's just put the mic down. See how we...
I reckon it does look a bit different, you know.
A bit more open.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels like this one's just sort of resting a bit more, like that thumb's facing a bit more forward rather than having the old gorilla knuckles.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty good, Ninja.
That's it, yeah.
Spoke well today, mate. You've done well.
There you go.
Happy with that one?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
I am. we might do another one on bodybuilding. What do you reckon?
That's it, I reckon.
Yeah, you're my bodybuilder now.
Yeah, okay.
So watch out for that in a couple of weeks.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, do our courses. We're the business. Get it done.
Thanks, guys.